Hey everyone, Gil here, graymanprepping. In today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about humidifiers. Especially here in the wintertime when it's freezing temperatures and the moisture is getting frozen out of the air. The house here gets really dry, and when the house gets really dry, I get all sorts of problems. I get sore throats, I get a dry nose, sometimes a bleeding nose from the dryness of the air. One way that you can prevent this is to get a humidifier. There's a bunch of different ways to humidify your house. Most of the humidifiers you can get are electric. Some of them heat the water and to put it out. Others have this little atomizer thing, just kind of atomizes the water and it comes up out the top and adds humidity to the air. However, with those, you have to use distilled water. There's another way, which I found out when with my wood burning stove here, to add humidity to the air. And since I'm not using the wood stove this year, I had to come up with something else. So let me show you what I have here. So what I have here is this was one of the pots I had on the wood burning stove. I just put it on the portable propane cooktop here, and I just put some water in it and just turn it on low and just let it slowly heat up. And as you can see, the steam is coming off of it there, and it does twofold. It does two things. One, it humidifies and it heats at the same time. So whatever your situation is, look for what works best for you for keeping your humidity up so it doesn't cause you health problems. All right? And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, learn a new skill, and if you can, plant something indoors.